We're almost ready to jump in and explore Adobe XD, but before we do that, we want to quickly go through what Adobe XD even is so that we have an idea of what we're going to be expecting in the future lectures. So what's Adobe XD? Adobe XD is an app-based design software that essentially allows you to design mobile and web apps in an easy-to-use environment built specifically for designing mobile and web apps. Now, of course, you can use Adobe XD for other things such as game design or just general graphic design, but the main purpose of it is for mobile and web apps. And that's exactly what we're going to be working on in this course as well. Adobe XD comes with a really powerful real-time prototyping feature that we'll explore. Once we do design our app, we'll go ahead and create a prototype out of it. Essentially, a prototype allows you to get a feel of what that mobile or the web app will feel like or will look like to a user once it's completed. So that includes connecting all the screens that you designed, so that we can kind of give an idea to a client or a colleague on what that product or what that app will look like once it's developed. This feature will save you tons of time when it comes to creating a mobile app, especially for the developers who are going to be actually putting this design into action, because with a prototype, we can actually get a feel of what we actually want in the app before actually writing a single line of code. Adobe XD makes it really easy for you to share your designs with clients and colleagues. So that includes sharing specific artboards if you'd like, or an entire project, or even being able to share your prototype with other people and creating multiple flows for them to see what the app is all about. And we'll explore all of the sharing features and exporting features all throughout the course. Now, Adobe XD is available for a free 7-day trial, which you can sign up for and use. And then you can actually get it for $9.99 US per month. And that's just a single app subscription fee for just Adobe XD. But if you want more from Adobe, if you want to install Photoshop or Premiere or other tools, you can also do that for a bit of a higher price. But it might be worth it if you're actually exploring other design or any other softwares from Adobe. And in the next lecture, we'll go through the different pricing as well as how to actually install Adobe XD on your computer. So I'll see you there.